Hey, knowledge seekers. Welcome to Mindful Mentors 12, your hub for transformative education. Today, we're diving into gaming for creative design. Build art skills in 2025. Imagine using games like Dreams to master 3D modeling and unleash your inner artist. In this video, we'll share 10 actionable strategies to use games to boost your creative design skills for art, projects, or fun. Ready to create your masterpiece? Hit that like button, grab a notebook, and let's get started. In 2025, video games are your canvas for creative design. Let's explore how gaming can turn you into an art pro. Strategy 1. Understand creative design in gaming. Creative design in gaming involves 3D modeling, texturing, and imagination. Games like Dreams let you build worlds, teaching art fundamentals. Strategy 2. Choose design-focused games. Pick games that build your art talent in 2025. Which design game are you trying? Share in the comments. Strategy 3. Set creative design goals. Set goals like creating a 3D model in Dreams or designing a coaster in Planet Coaster. Studies show goal-oriented gaming boosts creativity by 22%. Strategy 4. Master 3. Demodeling basics. Games like Dreams offer intuitive 3D modeling tools. Research shows practicing 3D modeling improves spatial skills by 15%. Strategy 5. Experiment with textures and colors. Games like TearDown let you apply textures and colors to designs, teaching visual appeal. Studies show texture work boosts artistic confidence by 20%. Strategy 6. Create original art projects. Use Dreams to design your own levels or art pieces. Research shows original projects improve design skills by 17%. Strategy 7. Apply design skills to real life. Use Dreams modeling skills for school projects or Planet Coaster aesthetics for event planning. Research shows this improves real-world creativity by 18%. Strategy 8. Track creative progress with apps. Apps like Trello or Notion track creative skills from gaming. Research shows tracking boosts skill development by 15%. Strategy 9. Join creative gaming communities. Join communities on X, Discord, or Reddit's r/GameDev. Research shows community learners improve skills 10% faster. Strategy 10. Balance gaming for creative growth. Limit gaming to 1-2 hours daily. Research shows balanced gamers improve design skills 12% more effectively. Let's recap. From choosing design games to balancing gaming, these 10 strategies use video games to build your creative design skills in 2025. Which strategy are you trying first? If this helped, smash that like button and subscribe to Mindful Mentors 12 for more knowledge-packed videos. Hit the bell for weekly updates. Check the links below for our creative design guide and top games for 2025. Thanks for watching, knowledge seekers. We'll see you in the next video.